Do you know mustard seed is considered as a symbol of faith? According to Luke 17, chapter 17, verse 5 to 6. One day, Jesus talking to his disciple, when one of them turned to him and said, Lord, increase our faith. Jesus answered, if you have faith as small as mustard seed, you can say to this mulberry tree, be uprooted and planted in the sea, and it will obey you. Can you imagine what it would be like to have that kind of faith? But tonight, it's all about celebrating. Let's capture some magical moments, let's create happy memories, and let's surround ourselves with laughter and friendship as we celebrate this special occasion. Have fun. Thank you for joining us. Go dance a little, sing a little, like no one is watching. Drink moderately. And
Modern.